I've done. In this video, I will show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network in your Windows 11 PC. For this, first go to Start, then go to Settings. After that, from here, go to Network and Internet. Now, click on this arrow button here. Now, go to Manage Known Networks. Now, from here, just click on Forget the network you want to remove, like this. As you can see, the network is no longer in the available known network list. So that's it, guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.